Hello from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. This is the weather hazard briefing for Friday, September 23rd. Not too much to talk about today. You got some fair weather brought on by high pressure moving into the area. It's going to last through the next several days. But this week isn't without impacts. We are going to see some cooling temperatures tonight, dropping into the mid-30s, and that could produce some areas of frost across some of the valleys. And I'll show you that here in just a minute. Rest of the weekend and into next week, looks like we're going to continue warm and dry. Weather satellite this morning, you can see that upper low pressure system that brought us all that rain a couple of days ago. That's moved off into eastern Montana and up and out into the Dakotas. Some of the cloud cover is going along with it. Still a few clouds lingering up over there in the Island Park area, but those are quickly clearing out of that area, so should see a fairly clear day today, not too much in the way of cloud cover. And the weather impacts this week, again, we're just highlighting a few areas where we could see some frost develop in the morning across the Snake Plain, mainly in the Arco Desert, INL areas. Might see in the valleys of the southeastern and eastern highlands, might see some frost develop there as well. Driggs, Montpelier, down around Bear Lake. So that's probably going to be the only impact here over the next 5 days. The rest of the week looks like it's going to be pretty warm and dry. Weather map today shows a high pressure over the Great Basin in southern Idaho. So most of that, most of the region is going to stay fairly clear and dry. That weather system, again, that moved through a couple of days ago is producing impacts there in the upper Midwest for today. Highs today, just a few degrees warmer than yesterday, and we're going to cool tonight up into the mid-30s. Look at INL checking in tonight at 35 degrees, Island Park 34, Driggs at 35. So those areas could see some frost developing. So if you have any sensitive plants outdoors, you may want to cover them up or bring them inside. Taking a look at temperatures in the weekend, continuing to see a couple of degrees of warming each day across most of the area. Again, we're going to stay dry throughout the weekend and into next week. Monday and Tuesday, we continue to warm up to the 80s, all the way up into Pocatello, Blackfoot, seeing 80 degrees there, upper 70s elsewhere in the Idaho Falls area. So pretty nice week ahead of us. Taking a look at the weather map for Saturday, again, we're just seeing a continuation of high pressure. We don't really see much developing upstream from us at all. So generally a dry forecast here. Day 3, Sunday, again, nothing much going on here. And taking a look into the extended periods, our outlook for the 6 to 10 day period, continuing to see above normal temperatures here through next weekend. We're transitioning on the precipitation a little bit. We're seeing below normal temperatures shifting to near normal or above normal, precipitation, below normal to above normal precipitation, which means there might be something brewing down there in the desert southwest sometime late next week. So we're going to keep an eye on that. But otherwise, that's going to wrap up the briefing for today. And if you have any questions, you can send us an email, give us a call, or hit us up on social media. Thanks for watching.